There you go. Hey, look. Slide down a little bit into this blue light. Hey, check it out. So shame on y'all. Shame on y'all. I want everybody to understand something. The channel is for y'all. Y'all tell me what y'all want to see, what y'all like to see, in the confines of what I'm doing. We ain't doing nothing extra. Nah, I got too much stock going on. It's kind of loud in the place I'm in, right? But y'all let me know what y'all want to see. Besides that, I need some live participants on the cooking channel. So, who trying to get on cooking channel? Hit me up. Respond to this video. Let me know what y'all trying to do. Put my twin on the phone with me. Put my twin right here. Yo. On lockdown, just like that. That's how we doing it. So, y'all let me know what y'all think. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe if you like this. You know Mercy going live every time you see me, baby. And the more you feed into me, the more that I'm going to feed into you. All right? So, show me what you working with. KAB, baby. To the death.